Hi everybody, I'm Corey.
I'm Anna.
And we're from Kit and Kat Shop. Today we are excited to bring a new product to you. Quite a while ago, because of Diana the Doll Fairy, we started down the road of making cosplay horns. And we had a lot of fun with it. We were really excited about it. It worked really well. You can see Zumi's got her little stubby horns on right now. But there were a few limitations. Because of the old skull cap, where we could put the magnets on the inside of the head, we were kind of limited. And while we were really happy with the way it was, we were never quite 100%.
No.
But luckily, Danny came up with the Cyber Skull Cap, and it's got spots for magnets exactly where we wanted them to be on our original stuff. The only drawback to Danny's Cyber Skull Cap is he does not ship them with magnets. Now, when it comes to magnets, we like to think that Kit and Kat Shop is the smart doll expert. We've been doing magnets in smart doll heads since about 2019. So we ordered one of the Cyber Skull Caps from Danny. We got it in, we took some measurements. Once we got the measurements, we reached out to our supplier, and we had the absolute strongest magnets available, custom made to fit into the Cyber Skull Cap.
It actually made this cosplay possible because the succubus horns before were a little too, or tiefling horns were a little too heavy. And where I wanted them, that's kind of where the skull cap meets the head. So it was an awkward spot to get the magnets inside the skull and get them where I needed them to be.
She actually has a Cyber Skull Cap in with our new magnets, and these horns are heavy.
I printed them solid.
These have been 3D printed, and they are solid, and they're not going anywhere. So we're going to show you a really quick tutorial on what it is we have to offer and how to put them in your skull cap. Let's switch to cameras and show you how it works.
So when you order the Cyber Skull kit, it's going to come in this little box. Inside the box, we've got some paper just to hold everything together. This little piece is your tool. See if it'll focus on that. There you go. And it has a small magnet on the inside. That's so that you can get your polarity consistent. And it's got a little curve to kind of match the Cyber Skull. And we went ahead and included 6 of the magnets. Now these are very strong magnets. To use them properly, you don't want to try to pull them apart, you want to slide them. Okay, and I would recommend putting the remainder of them over here. The magnet is going to jump, and now you have the right orientation. You do need to take the skull off of the doll. You do that by pinching the sides and it comes right out. To insert the magnet, you've got your magnet on your tool. You're going to choose your hole, and I'm going to kind of push out. That's going to help open up that opening. And you just pop and push, slide it off, and it's in there. And if you want to do another one, the same process, slide the magnet off, let it attach to your tool. I'm going to kind of push out, place the tool, and push in. And we've got them. There you go. And then I just squeeze the cap, push in that front, and there we go. We've got 2 magnets. Now this little tool, don't throw it away, but what I actually did was I actually primed them with a little bit of white craft paint, and this one I decorated with like the little nail foils, and this one's got a little bit of washi tape in that, so that when you're done it makes like a little barrette. You could even grab some ribbon and make a bow.
We are really happy with what Danny Chu has done with the Cyber Skull, and really happy with how the dolls look using some of the Kitten Cat Shop props. Anna made these cat ears, which are perfect.
And don't forget that the tool is there to make it an easier process, but have fun with that as well. Decorate it however you choose, and then you've got a little accessory for your doll as well.
Quick, painless, and the strongest magnets you can get. So we hope to see you again real soon. I'm Corey.
I'm Anna.
And we're from Kitten Cat Shop.
Bye, guys.
Bye.